Ma'am, I'll start with the positive. There are so many, but I have come down to I'll explain it in some few points. There are many positive. First, the course was very structured. When I joined for the course, my story started because I was very interested in bioinformatics, but doing masters again in the same field. I'm from MTech biotechnology background, and I got interested in bioinformatics. So enrolling in the same field and getting the same knowledge, only theoretical knowledge, will not be. I thought it will not be helpful for me. Paying the same amount as a fee structure, I should go for more productive way. So that's why in this case, or through LinkedIn, I approached Dr. Homix, and I got to know about NGS program. And ma'am, believe me, from the day I joined, I was not familiar with Linux. I was very scared to use computational skills with my biology because I was entirely a wet lab person. I've done all, but I want to play with computer science and IT, so that it will be helpful for me to use the genomic data very easily. So that's why I enrolled in this course. And after completing this course, I'm familiar with R programming, BioPython, and I am confident with RNA-seq data using all the resources available. I was only familiar with only two databases, LCBI and SRA database, but after joining this NGS course, I have become more familiar with ClinVar, other databases which is available for protein and genomic sequences. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for designing this course, ma'am. And it helped me. Anyone can give me one disease and I can play with the disease with the scripts has been provided during this training program.
I'm genuinely thankful that you took this course seriously, because it is a two-sided program. That if trainer is serious and student is not serious, then all will go in vain, right?
Yes,
and I would like to thank you for being a serious student, first of all.
Thank you, ma'am.
And secondly, please elaborate a bit on the part that how was this hands-on training kind of thing?
Yes, ma'am. It was, if I was facing any problem, so mentors can help me. They can control my screen. It was the first time I have seen that mentors from the other side can control. I don't know the specific reason how they are controlling, but it was very wonderful. They can control. They have corrected the error also while during the online session. It was two-way communication, and every time I faced, they didn't say, "I told you, okay, please go through the recording." No. 10 times if you're asking, they, especially Dhaneshri ma'am, she was so polite, and ma'am was so helpful during the sessions. Samar, it should be, you have made mistake here during the path giving, and ma'am has corrected me every time. So that's why I was able to do project also, ma'am. It was very fruitful, two-way communication.
Wonderful. So apart from Linux and Python, R, and RNA-seq, were there any other type of pipeline development as well?
Yes, ma'am. Metagenomics was also involved, ma'am. Metagenomics and RNA microarray data analysis was also involved, and RNA-seq analysis using reference-based and de novo based were the part of the program.
So please tell us more about some negative points so that we can improve ourselves.
Negative point, ma'am. Initially, for taking the videos, for going back, I have to see the recordings. But now it has been resolved recently because LMS system has come, and where we can get all our recordings, all our attendance at the same time. So this was the main thing I was facing. It's a negative point, but it has been resolved easily and recently. So from my side, I don't have anything, ma'am. It was wonderful. And every time if I'm seeing other programs also through LinkedIn that Biome is conducting this program, this industry, the first fact which came in my mind, I have done with Dr. Homix. This is all repeatable. So why should I join? This is the thing, ma'am, I'm getting. I know already HR, these things I've already performed. So please.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for your genuine reviews. I hope that you got benefited by this program, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.